While on a beautiful holiday in southern Spain last year, I decided I wanted a capsule wardrobe. The idea caught my attention while I was scrolling through Instagram before bed. It seemed wonderfully simple and uncomplicated, and the thought of it just made me happy. So over the next few days I dove deep into research, different types of capsules, the concept of base and accent colors, and how to figure out how many items I really need. By the time the holiday was over, I was absolutely ready to get started. There was quite the road ahead of me. I've always had a lot of clothes. At its peak, my wardrobe held over 100 pairs of shoes and more than 50 dresses. And while I've always done regular, often quite radical spring and fall clean-outs, there was always a steady stream of new stuff coming in. To start with, I took everything out of the wardrobe and laid it out on the floor. Then I sorted everything into yes, maybe and no piles. That's where the tricky part starts, because you want to make sure that the pieces you're keeping can actually form a cohesive whole. To help with that, I used an app called Style DNA. You upload a few photos and answer a short questionnaire, and it gives you your skin tone palette, body shape and style direction. You can also add pictures of an individual item, and it shows you how well it matches other items in your wardrobe. That was really helpful. It gave some structure and logic to what I was doing, which honestly was basically just getting rid of my entire wardrobe. So now I had the first iteration of my capsule wardrobe. While still a bit messy, it was a solid starting point to begin curating and refining. I already had a clear idea that I wanted an all-season wardrobe made up of around 60 pieces, shoes, bags and outerwear included. To get there, I followed 3 basic principles. First, I aimed for versatility with anything I bought. So a beach dress should also work as a casual day dress, or maybe even be styled up with heels and a belt for work, that kind of thing. Second, I used a professional style consultation to guide my choices. I've linked it below. You send in pictures of yourself and they provide a detailed consultation guide, your color palette, including base and accent colors for your capsule, how to dress for your body shape, and even a hair color guide, because why not? And third, anything without pockets was an absolute no-go. Overall, I'm really happy with the result. It lives up to the expectation of being simple and easy, yet still put together. To give you an idea, I've just come back from a 7-day holiday in Corse, where just 10 items easily got me through the week, from beach days to village explorations to more elegant dinners in the evening. And it all fit neatly into my weekender bag. Super practical. The flip side, my style has temporarily lost a bit of character, but I'm working on fixing that, and I'll talk more about that in a different video.